Okay guys, it's here. It's time to do a video. So here are the claims on the bag. Now, I'm gonna have to do research tonight before I post this video to really see if they stand by those claims, if those claims hold up. Alright, so here is me unboxing. Now I should have waited until at nighttime, but number one, plastic makes loud sounds, and number two, I can't wait. So. Of course the closet's open again, but that's okay. So, it came sturdily wrapped. It's packaged, I suppose, in a way to keep things nice and orderly. These are the loose items. This is so this is the A+ primer spray and setting spray. This is the AOA Lip Pop Lip Gloss, the AOA Fat Lash Mascara, the Argan Oil Brush Soap, and the AOA Studio Velour Highlighter. I purchased 2 bags of the Paw Paw AOA Wonder Blenders because I heard great things from other influencers, so I'm excited to try these out. I also got myself another pencil sharpener just in case. I ordered 2 pairs of 3D faux mink lashes. High quality synthetic fibers. So yeah, I got Terry and Harper, and then I got a set of brushes. Now all of this came to I think about $40 after shipping it, or taxes and whatever additional. No, let me open it please. This is mine. Mommy will open it and then you can see inside, okay? This is the AOA Studio. I believe it's a set of eye brushes. I mean, they are eye brushes, but I think that's what I specifically purchased. Because I don't have enough blenders. I'll take that away. Let me see. I'm going to do a look using all of the items that I possibly can. But so far, this actually feels pretty good for being only a handful of doll hairs. Thank you. Puppy! It's my life. It's my life. It's now or never. Okay, so fast forward, it's nighttime. I've gone ahead and wetted 2 of these AOA blender sponges to apply my foundation. I've already unpackaged everything. What I can say is I think the blenders seem like they could potentially be really nice. They're very soft. I'll have to see how they apply, which I will show you. But everything kind of has a smell. And I kind of had a feeling about this, but I think because I associated the fact that the sponges were recommended by somebody, that maybe the company in general was a good company. But so far, everything that I've opened up has a smell. Like, it's not horrible, and I'm obviously not sniffing my beauty blender when I put it on my face, but I'm about to put setting spray and primer spray on. So, and to be honest with you, I mean, the ingredients are slightly different, but let's hope for the best. Okay, I'm gonna take my glasses off and I'm gonna get a headband. Hold on one second. So 12 inches from the face. This one doesn't smell bad. The other one, this one has almost like a floral-y scent, which might be fragrance in it that's not listed. So that's something to watch out for. So we're gonna go ahead and mix my foundation on the back of my hand because I am a savage. I have a video coming up that is going to be things that I bought because an influencer told me to, or an influencer recommended it. And one thing that we really don't take into consideration, I mean, we do take it into consideration, but we also don't acknowledge it when we really trust someone's opinion, is that everybody is different. Something I could recommend to you that works really well for me might not work well for you, even if we have similar skin types. Because at the end of the day, we have different needs and desires and different things that we like. And our skins just are gonna react differently. So it does look very glowy and beautiful. Now, the Pollen Gen ones that I've been using have been a little on the matter side. They don't soak up as much product, which is good for your product, but maybe not so much if you like a glowy, dewier look. So I do like the way it blended out. I think it does look really nice. So next, I'm going to use it for my contour. So let's see how this works out for contour. Now, yeah, I guess I'll use the edge. Oh yeah, it definitely soaks up the product a lot, because normally, like with the Pollen Gen that I've been using, I get a harsh line when I apply it at first, and then I have to buff it out. I might be allergic to something. Like my face is itching, which maybe that's just my brain. We'll see. It could just be my brain. But it definitely soaks up a lot more of the product, which could help you with a more skin-like finish. That's gotta be annoying. Let me see if I can edit. Ooh, there we go. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am wrong and I just can't see. There was just way too much light in that angle, and it wasn't showing me quite how dark it was. Okay, let's blend this out with our much more glowier look, which I think works for me, but might not work for everybody else. The way I've been doing my routine lately, I wasn't prepared for it, I think, but I don't necessarily think it's a bad thing. This palette is so annoying. My layout is kind of annoying. Why does the underneath of my chin looks so... I have this sneaking suspicion that I have hypothyroidism, but it doesn't exactly make sense because I'm notoriously not infertile. But it's like I've lost weight and yet I still have the chin, and it's almost like there is fat here, but it's the same amount of fat that there's always been, but it kind of still protrudes. So I am a little concerned, but it might just be part of getting older. So let's forget about under chin and jowls and just proceed. So it looks like I have a very natural look going on. So far, so good. What? Oh, I was supposed to use the highlighter. It smelled funny. So, where did I put it? Oh, you know what? I'm not using the highlighter today. This is a lousy video. Fine, I'll get it. Fine. I don't wanna. It's called the AOA Velour Highlighter, and I can use my sponge with it. Where am I even gonna put this? This is purple. I need a mirror. Ooh, that's white. Okay. I'm going to dab a little bit. My face is gonna break out, isn't it? With these things. Like, I really had high hopes, but then when I smelled everything, it, you know, just, okay. This is pretty. It blends out beautifully. It wasn't the glowy skin I was going for. It's more a little bit icy, but it does blend beautifully. I like it. It pains me to say that, but I do actually like it. It just smells weird, although I'm not smelling my face and saying, oh, I smell weird. Anyway, the look that I am trying to achieve. So now I'm just using the brushes that came in the AOA package, the Miss A package. They do seem to blend very well, very nicely. I did use most of them during this look. Basically, I'll explain. I originally had a different look in mind when I started this look. However, it became something entirely different at the end. But that's not because of the brushes. It's probably that look would have been better achieved with eyeliner pencils, and I didn't have that. So this is what it looks like as a finished result. I did apply the Terry eyelashes, and they weren't so good. Guys, so this is my finished look. I did put on the AOA eyelashes, but I will insert a picture here. They just weren't working for me. I should clip them, which I didn't, but also in the inner corner it's acting funny. So I'm going to try them again on another day. Today just isn't that day. So I put the Can't Be Bothered lashes. Today I can't be bothered. I put the Can't Be Bothered lashes by Pure X Christie collab, Raw Beauty Christie collab. And so my thoughts on AOA is the sponges are a great deal. I'm loving the way that they applied my foundation. First I wasn't sure. It does suck up more product, but I think it has a better finish when it does that. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I think I look glowy and radiant, and I'm good with that. Like I said, they do soak up more product. So, or maybe if you use them a little bit drier, like, I don't know, second day sponge, maybe that'll be better. As far as sucking up product, I'm not entirely certain. The highlighter did work well. Oh, I didn't use the setting spray. Which one is setting? That's the primer. So, let's go. I think that was too much. Let me tap in. Oh, this one does have a slightly floral scent too. It's almost, it's almost, I don't know. Now my lashes are stuck. Now, whether the setting spray actually works to set or not, who knows? For a couple dollars, it's really not a bad buy. At first, I think there was a scent, maybe from the packaging, but the setting spray smells just as nice as the primer spray. These seem like a decent enough buy. The sponges are great. I'm sure a sharpener, I didn't open this to sharpen anything, but I'm sure it works fine. I mean, I could do that for you right now. It's not AOA brand, it's just a random brand. So they probably buy in bulk. They probably buy in bulk and yeah. Actually, this might not be a good sharpener. It did a really weird beveling on the, I don't know. We'll see. The Wet n Wild one that I bought for $1 or $2 or whatever seems to be better buy. The brushes, fantastic, worked so well, super soft. We will give you another update once I've washed them a couple times. I do have a brush soap, like I said, so I will use that in combination, and I can give you a full in-depth review on this brush cleaner. The lip gloss is terrible. It's cheap, it's $1, so it works like it's $1. Was there anything else? Did I forget anything else? I think that's all I had gotten. 2 sets of lashes. I didn't try the second pair, so I'll have to update you on that as well. Those are thicker, and the band is thicker. That doesn't forebode well. We'll see. We'll see how that works too. But yeah, so what I think, if you're gonna shop from AOA, definitely shop the sponges, because where else are you gonna get 6 sponges for $8? Just where? Show me. And they're so soft, and they do a good job. Maybe get the setting spray and primer spray if you, I don't know, I guess you don't have to get both. I don't know if I got a set or not, but they're fine. They work fine. They probably will work well for like spraying your brush to increase impact, you know, things like that. So, all right guys, thank you so much. I think you're fantastic, and you have a wonderful day.